Hiya, welcome. Come on in.
Hiya. Thank you.
Endurance Doors is the UK's leading manufacturer of composite doors, and you can design your dream door in one of our showrooms. Let me show you how easy it is. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted by one of our friendly design consultants who are on hand to offer advice and answer any questions you may have. Our showrooms have a selection of doors, examples of our different lock options, an array of glazing designs, and our colour range in full. You can even test out our stylish hardware. Whilst you're here, we'll be able to explain all the unique design features that make us the UK's most trusted door manufacturer, including a 48mm solid timber core, high security lock-in cylinder, and our very own innovative moisture barrier at the foot of each door. Our talented design consultant will also be on hand with their extensive knowledge to design the perfect door for you. With over 80 different door styles and more than 20 beautiful colours, we'll be able to advise you on current trends and create a bespoke design which perfectly matches your unique style. After you've had a look around and got a feel for the designs which suit your style, it's time to get comfy and watch your ideas come to life on the big screen. That is going to look great on your house. Next, we need to find you an installer. We have an extensive network of installer partners based nationwide that we guarantee to be of the highest standards when it comes to surveying, quoting, and installing your beautiful new Endurance door. We only work with the most talented and dedicated installers, so you can rest assured that you'll enjoy the very best experience from the initial inquiry through to completed installation and beyond. We're proud to have the very best reputation when it comes to making and installing doors, and we ensure that our installer partners are just as well thought after. As the UK's only large-scale door manufacturer to be rated as 5 stars on Trustpilot, you can rest assured that choosing us is going to be the right choice. Once you've chosen your installer partner, they'll be in touch to arrange an appointment to survey your door and provide you with a quotation to reinvent the entrance to your home. Visit us in the Endurance showroom for a free and personal door design consultation. We are now open 7 days a week. Book online or call us on 01652 340 340. We're looking forward to meeting you.